Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to show you how to draw on a Word document today. This is my lesson plan for the week. So up here you'll see the draw is attached again to my ribbon toolbar. I don't know what this is called. And you'll see that I have all of these options, and I can pick my color, and I can draw on my thing. Okay, so here's the deal. Yours may not have that, and again, it's very similar to what you did with the PowerPoint. You'll have to come down here to the bottom where it says Options and go to Customize Ribbon. That's what it's called. Toolbar Ribbon. Okay. And here's the draw thing that you have to click and OK. And then you should be able to do that. If you want your students to be able to do that, you might have to walk them through how to do that or attach this video. Maybe it'll help them. And then you have the option when closing this. So when I close this, it's going to ask me if I want to save the annotations. I don't want to say, oh, no, it's just going to save them. That's awesome. Okay, well, I hope that helps. Have a great day.